Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to bulk move in Jira. So this is actually pretty simple. First, create some items. So item 1, create, item 2, item 3, and item 4. Now, in order to show you, I will have to give another task type. So give one epic and epic. And now I will show you how to simply move item 1 and 2 below item 3 and 4. So just select them, select the items that you want to move, and then click on Edit. Now, simply give the parent this epic, and then click on Next. Then confirm. And now, as you can see, this bulk action is in process, and now you can see that the item 1 and 2 disappeared, but they didn't disappear. They are just right here under this epic. And now I can simply move and drag this epic where I want. So let's say I will add it right here, and you can simply move these items in this epic, something like as it was in the folder. So it is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.